Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're exploring W3shools, a website that unlocks the mysteries of web programming. Let's get started. W3shools is an online platform that offers comprehensive tutorials and courses on various programming languages, frameworks, and technologies. They cover a broad spectrum of topics such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, PHP, Skull, and more. Their user-friendly interface allows you to learn at your own pace and test your skills with interactive exercises. W3shools step-by-step guide makes it easy for beginners to comprehend even the most complex concepts. Plus, they have resources for advanced learners too. By enrolling in their courses, you can earn certificates to showcase your newfound skills. So why wait? Dive into the world of web programming with W3shools. They've got everything you need to become a master programmer. Thanks for joining us today. Remember to like this video if it was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech content like this. See you in the next video.